If you're on Instagram, did you know there are secret perks that are only accessible to professional Instagram accounts? And the best part is you can set up a professional Instagram account or convert your personal account to a professional account. It's completely free. One, I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll also show you all of those added perks. So let's open up the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down. Look for Your Insights and Tools and tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to a Professional Account. You can see Get More with these tools. Let's tap Next at the bottom. And on here, you can choose whether to display this on your profile. It's completely up to you, but I'm going to turn this on and hit Switch to Professional Profile. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to wait a few seconds and it will ask me whether I want to be a business or a creator. If you don't have a physical business location, you can just choose Creator, tap Next at the bottom. And after you've done that, you can continue to fill it out. Or in my case, I'm just going to tap the X at the top right. Now we've set up that professional account. Let me show you all of the cool perks that are added to it. The first one is if you tap on your profile, you'll see Professional Dashboard. If you tap on that, it will give you added insights that are not accessible to personal accounts. You can see the number of views over time, the followers and not followers, the interactions, who your new followers are, all of that information. You can see added analytics. Another cool thing that you can do is tap the back arrow and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down and you can tap on Contact Options. You can add a business email or phone number so that people can directly contact you right on Instagram. But those aren't the coolest features. Let me show you some other cooler ones. Let's go back to your profile and scroll down. Tap on one of your posts, and now you can tap on Boost Post. Essentially, you can pay a few bucks, and Instagram will show that post, whether it's a photo or a video, to thousands of people, increasing the number of people that are potentially seeing your content. Another option that I want to show you, and the best option in my opinion, is to tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down from here, and you'll see For Professionals. Let's tap on Insights at the top. And on here, you can see content that you shared. Tap on the I at the top right to be able to see more information about the content that you shared. But also, let's go back out of here and we can go to Meta Verified. You can see I can go through the process of becoming verified with a little check mark right next to my name. I'll be able to have a verified account within Instagram. Keep in mind, sometimes you do just have to pay for it to be able to add that. And another cool bonus feature is if you wanted to start monetizing your account as you grow your following with a professional account, now you can turn on monetization and start earning money immediately. Pretty cool. I hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that. And thanks for watching.